Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here. Today I am here with the class 10th chapter polynomial. So exercise 9.2. So let us see what is the first main in exercise 9.2. That is, find the zeros of polynomial. Find the zeros of following quadratic polynomial. Quadratic in the sense highest power degree 2, and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, so let us see the question number 1 is x square minus 2x minus 8. How we will find this? We know how to solve this by using factorization method. We know how to factorize this. So let us factorize. First and last number we have to multiply. 1 into 8 minus 8. Okay. 1 into 8 is minus 8. We have to find two factors such that when we multiply we should get 8, and when we add and subtract we should get 2. So how we will get this? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 2, 2 we will get, but greater sign is minus. So 4 will have minus sign, 2 will have plus sign. So let us solve x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Now what we have to do, we should check the common in this 2. What is common? X is common. 1x is common means what is left? X left, minus already x is common, so 4 left, plus what is common here? 2 common, because in 8 table, in 2 table 8 also will come, so 2 common. If 2 common, what is left? X, and 2 how many is that? 2 4s are. So now x minus 4 is a common bracket, x plus 2. Okay, so these two factors we got. So what we'll write? X minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, because we have to find the zeros of polynomial. X is equals to, it will be minus 4 means it becomes 4. X is equals to plus 2, if we take that side it becomes minus 2. Therefore what we have to write? Therefore 4 and minus 2 are the zeros of polynomial. Which polynomial? Given polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, this is the solution. How they have asked? Find the zeros of polynomial. So 4 and minus 2. If they ask only find the zeros of polynomial, then we completed the answer. That is 4 and minus 2 are the zeros of polynomial. But they have told verify the relationship. So how we will verify the relationship? What we have to do? Now alpha is equals to these zeros of polynomial. Alpha is equals to 4 and beta is equals to minus 2. We have to consider what we got zeros of polynomial as alpha and beta, and equation is x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, this is the given equation. We know that quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This is, let us compare. A is nothing means 1. A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to minus 8. What we have to find? We have to verify. Okay, we all know that sum of zeros is what? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. It is, in shortcut, sum of zeros is nothing but alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Let us verify whether it will verify or not. Alpha value, what we have taken? Alpha is 4. 4 plus beta value is minus 2. Okay. And minus sign as it is. B value is, just now we got b value minus 2. So I'll write minus 2. And a value is nothing but 1. Okay. 4 plus minus minus 2 is equals to minus minus plus. 4 minus 2, 2. So 2 is equals to 2 we got. So sum of zeros is verified. Let us see product of zeros. product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equals to C by A. This is the formula which we have to remember. Alpha value is 4, beta value is -2, C value is -8, A value is 1. Okay, 4 twos are -8 and -8 upon 1 is -8 only. Hence, it is verified. Hence, it is verified. Yes, now it is verified because both answers are same. Here also 2 equals to 2. Here also -5 equals to -8 is equals to -6. Okay. Let us see the second one question now. So, the second one question is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So let us solve this question. Same way we have to solve. Only the alphabet instead of x, they have taken s. Okay. First and last term we have to multiply. 4 into 1, 4. 4 ones are 4. Two such numbers we have to find. When we multiply, it should be 4. And when we add and subtract, then also it should be 4. How? 2 twos are 4. 2 plus 2, 4. But minus sign is there. So, both will have minus sign. Okay. Let us write 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Now, we have to take common in this. 2 also is common. S also is common. So, 2s common. If 2 is common, then 1 2 is remain. Out of 2s square, 1s common. So, 1s will remain. Complete 2s we have taken common, so -1. Here nothing is common in this 2. We can see nothing is common. So I will take -1 common because bracket should be same. If I take -1 common, it will be 2s as it is. This plus sign will become minus because I have taken minus sign common. What is left now? Two same brackets. We will write once 2s minus 1. And remaining 2s minus 1. Okay. So 2s minus 1 equal to 0 and 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Both the brackets are equal. Okay. S 2s is equals to 1. S is equals to 1 by 2. And 2s is equals to 1. S is equals to 1 by 2. Same value we got. Therefore, what you have to write? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are zeros of polynomial 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So, we got this as polynomial. Zeros of polynomials we got. Okay. But they have told verify now. So, when they have asked verify the relationship, then we have to take alpha is equals to first zero of polynomial and beta value will become second zero of polynomial. Given equation is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So, the value is a is equals to 4, b is equals to -4 and c is equals to 1. Let us verify now. Verification I will do this side of the same problem. Okay. First how we will find? Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha value 1 by 2 plus beta value 1 by 2. Minus sign as it is. B value is -4. A value also is 4. Okay. 1 by 2 is nothing but denominator same. 1 plus 1 is 2. Is equals to minus plus. So 4 by 4. 2 by 2 get cancelled 1. And 4 by 4 also get cancelled 1. So we got same answer. Same way what we have to do? Product of 0. Product of zeros. Okay. Product of zeros is alpha plus alpha into beta c by a. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. C value is what? 1. by a value is 4. Okay. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4 is equals to 1 by 4. So it is verified. This is the question number 2. Let us see now question number 3. What is the question number 3? Okay. The question number 3 is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Okay. What they have told to prove is, first it is not in quadratic polynomial form. Let us write in quadratic polynomial form. After 6x square, we need to bring 7x, then minus 3. Okay. So now same way we will do 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18 minus 18. Two such number, when we multiply it should be 18. When we add or subtract it should be 7. So 9 2s are 18. But 9 minus 2 is 7. Greater numbers should be minus. So let us write 6x square we got minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. So in this 2 what is common? Let us check. 3 is common and x also is common. 3 how many is a 6? 3 2s are 6. 1x common, 1 will left. Minus 3 3s are 9. X already common. Okay. Here nothing is common. So plus 1, 2x minus 3 as it is. So 2x minus 3, 3x plus 1. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 3. If we take that side, it becomes plus 3. And 3x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to 3 by 2. And so x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 are zeros of polynomial 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So we got zeros of polynomial, but they have told us to verify. So alpha is equals to 3 by 2 and beta is equals to minus 1 by 3. And the quadratic equation is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Let us compare ax square minus plus bx plus c. A is equals to 6, b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to minus 3. Let us verify now. Verification. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, what we will get? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha value is 3 by 2 plus beta value is minus 1 by 3. Okay. Is equals to minus b value is minus 7 upon a value is 6. Okay. So 3 by 2 as it is, plus minus minus 1 by 3. 3 3s are 9 minus LCM it is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Here minus 7 by 6 as it is. Minus 7 by 6 as it is. 9 minus 2 is 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2. Minus of minus, b value is minus, na? Minus of minus is plus. So 9 minus 2 is 7 by 6. So 7 by 6. It is verified. Let us see product. Product of zeros. Alpha beta is equals to c by a. Alpha value is 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. C value is minus 3 by a value is 6. 3 3 get cancelled. Minus 1 upon 2. Yes. So here 3 1s are 3 2s are minus 1 upon 2. It is verified. So Here we have completed 3 questions from exercise 9.2. In my next video, I am going to continue the next other problems, that is 4th, 5th and 6th. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.